everyone, this is Selena Krause for Trinity Stamps, and we're taking a look at the Scripty Wedding Day die set that's part of the Happily Ever After release that goes live on May 5th, 2022. This is die set of, it cuts out 6 words, the words along with the shadow, and says best wishes on your wedding day. So you can separate them or you can cut them as it is. So even after you separate, you can put them back together and use some washi tape or low tack tape to keep them together so they don't shift. So let's take a look how they cut before when they're nested into each other. So we can create a different kind of shadow. So you can see here I have first from black and now I have on white. You can see it much better on the white. You can either use it like that or you can pull out the Scripty words. They're approximately 1.5 inches tall. So I'm here pulling out day and you can see how it looks like. Okay, now I'm separating the dies. So I have the shadow dies there and I have the individual Scripty word dies. And here I've already die cut those. I've die cut the Scripty, the words from black cardstock and the shadows from white, and we can layer them together. And I also die cut them from gold glitter paper and vellum, and I've already adhered them together so you can see how that looks when they're put together. Also we have the leftover like the shadows there, so you can also layer those on top of the solid shadow dies for different look. So there are a lot of possibilities. Let's take a look at a few samples from our design team. So you can see here you don't need to use all of the words. You can use just best wishes or you can use all of them best wishes on your wedding day. Or also the Y pulls apart from the word your, so you can also use it as an hour. Thank you so much for stopping by, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our blog for more ideas and inspiration. Thanks for watching. Bye!